Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So it seems we have a third video today to do with the DJI Flight App 1.4.0, and on this occasion it looks like there is a new firmware update for the controller which comes with all three models. So just to be aware that this is going to pop up on your screen, so I'll run a short video and show you how to update that. So as you can see, when you open up your Flight app and you turn your controller on and turn your drone on, it's going to come up with that DJI RC-N1 firmware downloaded. So we're going to go ahead and click install. Let's click the more, and then we have got added support to switch between the Air 2S, the MAVIC Air 2 and the DJI MINI 2 when using the RC-N1 remote controller, which of course is the controller that comes with all three models. So I'm guessing this is going to make it easier, so you can just use the one controller no matter which drone you are using of the three that are mentioned. So let's go ahead and install that, 72%. And there we go, we've got our new firmware installed and all of our lights are now flashing green. So let's click back out of that. Okay, DJI firmware installed, and there we go, we are back on the main screen. So that was nice and simple. Hopefully that is the last of the updates today, and if you haven't checked out my other video where I do a full app run through of the new features which are part of DJI Fly 1.4.0, then please do go ahead and check that out. Thank you very much for watching and see you again soon.